Is it time to buy or sell Supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we will explore Supermicrocomputer in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 6th of January, 2025, and we are back with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Unlock the potential of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd of January, 2025, our system has categorized Supermicrocomputer as a hold accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.37. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 9.36% since we initially recommended purchasing Supermicrocomputer just 2 days ago. This results in an average return of 4.68% per day since it was classified as hold accumulate. The stock is positioned at the upper part of a very broad and declining trend in the short term. This typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be anticipated. A break above the upper trend line at $41.83 will initially indicate a slower rate of decline and may serve as the first sign of a potential trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately negative 22.32% over the next 3 months, with an estimated return ranging from negative 75.67% to negative 10.85%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests an approximate change of negative 37.67% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 100% and 59.69%. This translates to a price range of $0 to $58.21 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Supermicrocomputer highlights a significant rise in stock price, with an increase of more than 9.36% on Monday. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 6th of January, 2025, the stock price rose from $33.33 to $36.45, marking a gain of 9.36%. Throughout that day, the stock experienced fluctuations ranging from a low of $34.95 to a high of $36.45, resulting in a total fluctuation of 4.29%. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has seen a total gain of 16.68%. Notably, the trading volume decreased by 33 million shares on the last day, with no shares being bought or sold for approximately $0. It is important to recognize that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices can suggest divergence, potentially signaling upcoming changes in the next few days. In the past 52 weeks, the stock reached a peak price of $122.90 and a low of $17.25. Currently, the stock price stands at 70.34%, or $86.45, below that 52-week high of $122.90, which also represents the all-time high for the stock. Supermicrocomputer, or SMCI, has been experiencing a significant uptick in its stock price, with shares soaring by over 11% in early trading today. This surge follows an optimistic outlook regarding the company's liquid-cooled technology, which has resonated well with investors. The stock's performance comes after a strong recovery following a 5-day losing streak, marking its best one-day performance since early December. Market confidence is bolstered by rising speculative fervor within the tech sector, particularly amidst increasing investments in artificial intelligence infrastructure. These trends lend support not only to SMCI's current stock gains, but also to its long-term growth potential, as AI and cloud solutions continue to gain traction across industries. Despite the positive momentum, some analysts caution that volatility may not be entirely behind SMCI. This sentiment suggests that while the short-term outlook appears bullish, investors should remain cautious, given the potential for fluctuations in response to broader market dynamics. Overall, today's developments indicate a robust resurgence for SMCI, which could lead to sustained upward pressure on its stock price as the market digests its growth narrative. In the long term, if the company can effectively leverage its technological advantages and capitalize on the growing demand for AI-related solutions, it could see continued gains, further strengthening its position within the tech landscape. Analyst ratings are as follows. On Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SMCI a mixed rating with a hold recommendation. On the same day, Citigroup issued a reduce rating for SMCI, also suggesting a hold action. On Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, Barclays rated SMCI as equal weight, recommending a hold action. On Monday, the 23rd of September, 2024, Loop Capital Markets gave SMCI a buy rating while also recommending a hold action. Earlier on Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, Needham rated SMCI as a buy with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Supermicro stock a general neutral rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro. The Supermicro stock displays buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook. However, there is an overarching sell signal due to the long-term average being higher than the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be found at levels of $32.39 and $33.65. A drop below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal originated from a pivot bottom point on Thursday, January 2nd, 2025, and since then, the stock has risen by 21.3%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. During the last trading day, volume decreased while the price increased. This creates a divergence and may serve as an early warning, although it may not necessarily be significant. The very low volume heightens risk and diminishes the reliability of other technical signals. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, buy signal 3 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 122 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 146 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $33.15 and $33.07. There is an inherent risk when a stock tests a support level, as breaking this could result in a decline to the next support level. In this case, Supermicro finds support just below today's level at $33.15. If this support is breached, the next level from accumulated volume will be at $33.07 and $28.27. Generally, the stock exhibits controlled movements, which contributes to a low overall risk. However, it is important to be mindful of low or declining volume and to monitor the stock closely. Over the last day, the stock moved $1.50 between its high and low, which equates to 4.29%. For the past week, the stock has experienced an average daily volatility of 5.93%. Before we dive into potential trading levels for Supermicro, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, often referred to as the PE ratio. This important ratio evaluates a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio could suggest either a low expectation for the company's future or indicate that the stock is undervalued, presenting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 27th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at 75 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicro. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicrocomputer is at $38.41. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Supermicrocomputer encounters its first support level at $33.15. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicrocomputer from various analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 27th of November, 2024, Chung Kenneth made an insider purchase of 0 shares of common stock. On the same day, Chung Kenneth also made an insider purchase of 26,570 shares of employee stock options, which grant the right to buy. Additionally, on that date, Chung Kenneth purchased 4,230 shares of restricted stock units. On the same day, Chung Kenneth conducted another insider purchase of 49,900 shares of employee stock options. On the 6th of December, 2024, Liu Tally C made an insider purchase of 860 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 17.844. In total, insiders bought 3,604,729 shares and sold 5,261,645 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $35.17, representing a decline of 3.5%. This stock experiences very low daily fluctuations, which translates to a minimal risk profile. Additionally, there is a buying signal based on a pivot bottom identified 2 days ago. Is Supermicrocomputer stock a good buy? Supermicrocomputer shows several positive indicators, yet we believe these are not sufficient for a buy recommendation at this time. Currently, it is best viewed as a hold or accumulate position while we await further developments. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis suggests that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 7th of January, we anticipate Supermicrocomputer will open down by 0.5 and commence trading at $35.95. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is important to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Do not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day, with regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.